Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the battery on the Samsung Galaxy A33 5G mobile phone. To start, we need the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, take out the back cover from the body. To remove the back cover, it needs to heat gently around the back cover edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back cover side on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till the heating completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Next, create an opening using a suction cup and then insert a plastic car pry tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the back cover. This process will take time and needs patience. Next, take out the back cover and then take out the logic board cover by undoing 8 screws. Next, disconnect the battery connector. Next, disconnect the main flex from the board and then fold the cable to 180 degrees. Next, remove the not working battery from the body. First, use a plastic car pry tool or something similar to cut the adhesive under the battery. If not, use a pry tool to gently lift the battery. Also, if the battery is holding tight, apply some heat or add isopropyl alcohol to soften the glue under the battery. Use a heat gun for the heating process and do not heat if the battery is swollen. Next, gently pull out the battery using a pry tool. Next, place the new battery with adhesive. Next, secure the main flex to the logic board. Next, connect the battery plug. Next, place and secure the logic board cover by adding 8 screws. Next, before installing the main back cover, ensure it has enough glue. If not, use B7000 glue or new double-sided back cover adhesive. Finally, we are adding binding clips to tie in the rear car with the body. If not, you can use some rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.